Hello, my name is George Mochocki. For those who don't know me, I have some my colleagues asking me how to copy an existing course into my new fall 2019 classes. You could call Karen, send her an email, and she could do it for you. But it takes a little time because she has is one person doing it for everyone for the adjuncts and faculty at Harper. So she allowed us as instructors able to do our own course copy. The thing you have to remember, you have to be in the course, your existing course. Let's see if I'm going to copy my here my class. If I'm going to copy my fall 2018 into my fall 2019, I got to start with this class here because it's an existing class, and I'm going to copy it into this to the new course shell that I have. But for some of you, you haven't had Management 111 or you haven't taught it before. So how do I get all the information? No problem. Marie has Management 111 faculty site. She has this one open for all adjuncts and it's preferred and recommended. You copy this into your new classes. You can make your adjustments, but you have everything all set up for a lot of data, a lot of videos. Some of the videos we're going to be updating, but there's a lot of information in there, so it's easy to get up and running, and you can make your tweets as you need them. So we're going to go into this one here, and I'm going to copy this course here into my 2019 class. Okay, so first you got to open up the course, and this is the way she has it set up. Don't worry about it. Like all Blackboard's the same. They changed it just a little. They updated it to new, give you a little more tweets. Don't worry about it. Not that much of a change. All right. You're gonna come all the way down in here. Remember, you're gonna go through all this stuff. You could, I'll show you how what you want, what you don't want, and you're gonna come all the way in here. This is all closed off. Let me just close it in here. You're gonna come in here where it says Package and Utilities. You click on that, and then it says Course Copy, and you're gonna click on that. Remember, you're in the course, your existing course that you have all the material and you want to transfer it to your new course. You have to start with that existing course. And here's a selected copy type, course material. That's where you're at. This is the class I'm at. And now destination ID. And here's where you're going to do browse. And I just open this up so you could see it. And what you're going to do, you're going to find the classes. So I'm going to copy this into my 2000 management right here. I'm going to copy everything she has into the fall 2019. You can't do multiple. You got to do it. So if I'm teaching one class or two classes of that section, you have to basically able to you have to do them individual. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to submit. So far, so good. And now it already has the class is going to copy too, right? And now you could select all, and then it's going to copy everything she in that course into the other one. Now, or you could say, I don't want the banner image. I'm going to change some of the stuff, or I don't want the rubrics. I don't want the settings. You could adjust it, so you just take them off and it won't copy. I usually don't use the grade settings because it's just me. I set them up because I like the flexibility. The way she has it may work for her or it may work for you. If you want it, do it. But you could be very selective what you want. So everything else works out pretty good. Has all the test banks. I already got the PowerPoint, and that's all you have to do. And then links, and then you hit submit. And when you look at it, course copy, it's a success. Course copy action queued. An email will be sent to you and process completed. Let's check. All right. I think I got an email. I don't know. I'm just kidding you. I don't want to say that quick. All right. So here we go. I'm going to click on my Blackboard, and I copied it into my management for fall, and exactly like you had in the other one. Now the things you have to be careful when you copy over, you're going to have this is the syllabus schedule that she had set up. It's also going to remember that Blackboard comes already with its own default syllabi, so you may have some duplicates in here. So basically, the calendar you have, you get rid of this, you get rid of some of the stuff. Remember, there's more stuff that you have because it has its own. Just do a little cleaning up. It's not that hard, and you could delete it. You know what I mean? So here, I got a calendar here, and I think she had a calendar, Blackboard calendar, the same calendar. Are you okay? So and you can check it if you look at it. So I just click on this and I delete this one and I'll leave hers. Okay. Cancel. Delete this menu item and delete, and it's gone. Simple as that. All right. So remember, you start off in here, where you go into packages, and then you could do the next one. And now, if for some reason you have a class and you've got everything Marie had, but you have some information you want to bring into your course, I just copied everything Marie had, leave it in there. But I may delete some of the stuff because I don't like, it's your preference. You still have the flexibility. The shell is there. So I could go into mine. Let me show you what I'll do now. Now I'm going to go into my existing blackboard, and I'm going to go in. I'm just adding. All right. I'm going to go into my fall 2018. All right, and I like this stuff. I like my own picture and everything else in there to replace it. So now I'm going to do the same thing I'm doing. Remember, this is my existing course for 2018. Some of you don't have to do this. I'm just showing you another thing. If you got another class and you want to just copy some of it but not all of it, and you're going to go into course packages, and then you're going to go course copy, just like we did before. Nothing changes. All right, and then I'm going to browse again like I did before. I just make this a little bigger. All right, and I'm going to find the 2000 and management tool 7, see where I'm at. Okay, and I'm going to click, that's the one I want to copy. I'm going to submit. Now in this one here, instead of selecting all I'm going to do my weekly assignments. That's the way I like setting up. I want that in there. I want to do my folio text, so it gives me some information. I have my chapter lecture. She had these students' instructions. I like this. A student's website provided by students. Remember, this is stuff that's not hers. This is mine. I'm copying. I have my mind map. Leave that. Harper Library. Blah, blah, blah. I'll leave all that stuff. Assessment tools. I don't know if I want that. My PowerPoints, mind map. These are new ones. Instructors. Okay, so I have everything I want. Now, do I want the announcement? Nope. Do I want the attendance? Nope. Calendar? Nope, 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 nope. Glossary? Nope, nope. Settings, retention, rubrics. I want to put in my own rubrics. Availability. I want my banner image. You see what I'm talking about? So now I'm selecting. You can only just select just the banner image, and you don't have to do anything else. But it's from your course. I just want to select this thing in the new course. I don't want the other stuff. I want to start all new, all right? And I will also select the tests and survey pools, because I think I've got all the tests loaded up in here. If you want to use the Blackboard test versus, for lack of better words, my biz lab. I teach finance, so that's my finance management. Got my management lab. Marketing got my marketing lab. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. You see what I did? I selected what I wanted, and then I go submit, and we're done. And so now I have everything else in here, and it's going to queue it. So now let's go back to my Blackboard. Do you see how you could do it? You could copy it all. That's what I recommend if you haven't done it. Or copy parts of it. Or if you're in another class, you just want one part. And you could do it. It doesn't have to manage 11. I might have some videos I want to put into my finance or my marketing class. I don't want all of it. How do I transfer it over and still copying it one by one? There's another way of doing it. You could do it. But this is also, I'll have another YouTube later on. If I got the time. All right, so I'm at my fall 11. And I click on there. And there's my picture. You see how I did it? All right, so I hope this makes it easy. Remember, you just go in here, go into, for lack of better, packages, all right? And then course copy. In the class, you have to be in the class that you want to copy to the new class. All right, I'm Dr. George Mochocki, or George, and I hope this was informal and it kind of helped you a little bit. It's not that hard, and I'll see you in the next YouTube. Let's see how many minutes I got on here. Oh, 9 minutes. That's probably the shortest one I ever did. Okay, enjoy. Have fun. Any questions, send me an email.